Good morning, I am Precilia Lufty, and this morning report on Bersatu Television will bring you interesting news over the next half hour. The first news, Yogyakarta. The topic this time is traffic jams occur because of road repairs. On 20 November 2020, it was reported that there was a traffic jam around the Tugu area. The traffic jam that occurs is caused by road improvements. The road that must be closed because they are included in the repair area. The area of road that is closed from the east of Tugu to the north of Tugu. The road to the south of Tugu is still passable, but to the west of Tugu there is only one road. Even the bus license was demolished so that the road could be built. The reason for the repair of the road was that the regional road was damaged. Traffic jam occurred when the morning activity time until 8 p.m. Viewers, we can see that there is a barrier between the road and the area that is being repaired and the traffic jam that is going on. These are photos and videos of the current condition of the Tugu area. Viewers, we will back with morning report after the advertisement. Stay tuned to Bersatu Television.